Let me show you how easy it is to create a terms policy on the Shopify store. So the first thing what you need to do, you have to go to the settings and select down here policies. And what you do, you will look for the terms. And when you look for the terms, it is here, terms and services. So I have it already, but to generate one, you just press here, replace with the template, and Shopify will generate for you, and then you save it. If you want to have more improved one, what you do, you copy all, and then you go to the chat GPT and you write you write here improve Shopify terms policy, and you paste all the text here, and then you just wait for ChatGPT to generate it for you. As you can see, it will generate with all the headlines and so on, and then you copy this. Of course, make sure to read it, and then you paste here, and then you save, and that's all. That's how it works. And to see it if it's live, you can do that through checkout. When you check out, and the checkout down in the footer, you will see the terms button, and press it and see how it looks in your store.